Being a woman is expensive. Not emotionally, not spiritually, financially. Like statistically, mathematically, objectively more expensive. And nobody talks about it because we call it self-care or looking presentable or just life. But it's actually a tax, a hidden one, and you're paying it every single day. Let me show you something wild. There's something called the pink tax. Same product, same ingredients, same factory, different color, higher price. Women's razors, more expensive. Shampoo, more expensive. Deodorant, yep, more expensive. A New York City consumer study found women's products cost 7 to 13% more on average than men's. Same stuff, just pink. Congratulations, you're taxed for existing. Imagine paying extra just because your razor has vibes. But that's just the cute, obvious stuff. Here's where it gets serious. Society expects women to spend more money just to look normal. Hair, makeup, skincare, nails, work clothes, heels that double as torture devices. A professional-looking woman can easily spend thousands per year on grooming standards that men simply don't have. A guy shows up with a $20 haircut and one suit, he's professional. You skip mascara, suddenly you look tired. Cool, so now we're financially penalized for having eyelashes. But that's not even the worst part. Society also expects you to be a perfect balance of tough and delicate, boss babe and nurturing mother, career woman and supermom. You're asked to do it all and look good doing it. And that takes time and money. Time that could be spent on your career, your financial freedom, or your mental health. But no, you're expected to spend hours every week making sure your hair, skin, and wardrobe are up to par. It's like a full-time job on top of your real job. And then there's income. In the US, women still earn about 82 cents for every dollar a man makes. Less pay, same rent, same groceries, same inflation. Make it make sense. But wait, it gets worse. Career breaks. Women are far more likely to pause work for childcare or family, and one study showed just a 5-year break can reduce lifetime earnings by $500,000 or more when you factor in missed raises, promotions, and investments. $500,000. That's not a break, that's a financial crater. So let's recap. We pay more, spend more, earn less, and lose more time. It's like playing Monopoly where everyone else started with extra cash and you started with a parking ticket. And here's the part nobody tells women. Saving isn't enough. It literally isn't enough. Because if life costs you more, you cannot afford to just save. You have to grow money. If your money isn't invested, you're falling behind, quietly, every year. Inflation eats savings, but investing builds leverage. Stocks, retirement accounts, index funds, businesses, assets. Because assets don't care about your gender. They just compound. Financial independence isn't a girl boss quote. It's math. If you live longer, which women do about 5 to 6 years longer on average, you also need more retirement money. More years alive equals more years paying bills. So we literally need bigger portfolios, not smaller ones. This isn't about complaining, it's about planning. If the system costs you more, you outsmart it. Invest earlier, negotiate harder, own assets, build a freedom fund. Because being independent isn't a personality trait. It's having enough money to walk away from anything. A job, a bad relationship, a bad situation. That's real power. Life already charges women extra. Don't pay the hidden tax twice by staying broke. Make your money work harder than the system works against you. And hey, if you want more tips to build your financial independence, hit that subscribe button. Let's outsmart this system together.